Ever wonder how onion powder is made? From farm to factory, every onion counts. See the magic transform. As dawn breaks over the sprawling onion fields, farmers prepare to harvest these fresh, nutrient.
With skilled hands, each onion is carefully lifted from the fertile soil, preserving its quality and freshness.
Harvested onions are collected into baskets, each one a perfect example of nature's bounty.
Every onion, rich in flavor, is gently pulled from the earth, ensuring no damage to its delicate layers.
With care, these onions are transported from the field to processing carts, ready for the journey to the factory.
Trucks arrive to transport the freshly harvested onions, connecting the farm to the industrial processing facility.
Stacked carefully in trucks, the onions are ready for a safe journey, ensuring they reach the factory in pristine condition.
The journey continues along scenic rural roads, carrying the precious harvest toward the processing plant.
Upon arrival at the factory, the onions are prepared for the next phase of processing, moving from farm to industrial scale.
Skilled workers unload the fresh onions, ensuring each one remains intact as it enters the automated processing line.
Each onion is carefully inspected on the sorting belt. Only the freshest and healthiest move forward to the next stage.
Advanced optical sorting machines separate onions by size and quality, ensuring uniformity for efficient processing.
Workers remove any rotten or damaged onions, maintaining the high standard required for premium powder production.
Sorted onions glide along the conveyor, ready to be thoroughly washed for purity and hygiene.
Powerful high-pressure jets remove soil, dust, and residues, leaving onions clean and fresh.
Skilled hands and advanced machinery work together to ensure consistent quality at every stage.
The factory operates around the clock, ensuring a steady supply of premium onion powder. Final inspection ensures only perfect packages move forward for shipment. Sealed bags are packed into cartons, ready for bulk transportation. The warehouse stores pallets in climate-controlled conditions, keeping the powder safe until distribution.
Cartons are carefully stacked onto pallets for organized warehouse storage and easy shipment.
Mechanical peelers strip away the outer skin without damaging the tender onion layers inside.
Workers ensure that peeled onions are flawless, ready for slicing and drying.
A multi-stage cleaning system ensures every onion meets strict hygiene standards before peeling. Precision slicing ensures uniform thickness, which is crucial for consistent drying and quality powder.
Sliced onions are gently transported to industrial dryers, maintaining shape and integrity.
Before drying, excess moisture is removed to speed up the drying process and ensure quality. The onions enter high-temperature tunnel dryers, where controlled heat slowly removes moisture. The onions enter high-temperature tunnel dryers, where controlled heat slowly removes moisture. Even drying prevents burning, while maintaining flavor, aroma, and color.
After drying, onions transform into golden crispy flakes, ready for grinding into powder.
Cooled carefully to preserve texture and prevent moisture absorption, preparing them for grinding. Hammer mills grind dried onion flakes into fine powder, maintaining consistent particle size.
Sieving removes oversized particles, ensuring a smooth, uniform onion powder.
Advanced metal detectors guarantee the powder is safe and free from any foreign particles. Every batch undergoes rigorous quality testing, ensuring premium flavor, aroma, and texture.
Premium onion powder is stored in airtight silos,
preserving freshness and quality for long-term storage.
Temperature and humidity are carefully monitored to maintain optimal storage conditions. Automated machines begin filling pre-labeled bags with precise quantities of onion powder. Each bag is carefully filled, ensuring consistent weight and quality.
Sealed airtight, the onion powder retains its flavor, aroma, and texture.
Trucks are loaded with pallets, ready to deliver premium onion powder to markets worldwide. With care, the freshly processed onion powder begins its journey to global destinations.
Upon arrival, pallets are carefully unloaded, ensuring product integrity during transfer. Every batch is logged into inventory, maintaining a traceable supply chain.
Smaller shipments are sent to retail stores, bringing the premium onion powder closer to customers.
Neatly arranged on shelves, each package showcases the high-quality onion powder ready for purchase.
Neatly arranged on shelves, each package showcases the high-quality onion powder ready for purchase.
Opening the bag releases the rich aroma, a true testament to careful processing from farm to table.
A sprinkle of premium onion powder elevates any dish, delivering flavor and aroma unmatched by fresh onions alone.
From raw onions to culinary perfection, this powder transforms meals into gourmet experiences.
Precision machines execute every step flawlessly, turning onions into fine powder with perfect consistency. Rigorous testing ensures flavor, aroma, and purity meet premium standards. Rigorous testing ensures flavor, aroma, and purity meet premium standards.
Every process is closely monitored to maintain perfect consistency and quality.
High-speed packaging lines ensure timely delivery without compromising product integrity.
Pallets are tightly wrapped for safe transportation, maintaining product quality. Trucks depart the warehouse, carrying premium onion powder to stores and distributors worldwide.
Smooth highway routes ensure timely delivery while maintaining product integrity.
Pallets are carefully unloaded and stored under optimal conditions for quality preservation.
Inventory is meticulously tracked to maintain traceable and organized supply chains.
Customers select their preferred packages, drawn by freshness and quality assurance.
As the sun sets, the factory stands as a symbol of dedication from farm to table. From raw onions in the field to premium powder on your table, every step reflects quality, care, and flavor.